Making money on YouTube. How much does YouTube pay to creators? Is it easy for creators to get money from YouTube? If I start a channel today, how long will it take for me to start getting paid by YouTube? Is the money really enough for you to earn a living? So a lot of people have been asking me all these questions, and I finally decided to do a video just answering these questions and also giving you tips on how you can grow quickly, how you can make money quickly on YouTube if you're just starting now. I've been posting on YouTube for a while now, and I've made a lot of mistakes and a lot of lessons have been learned, so I'll be sharing all that knowledge with you today. So be sure to watch the video to the end, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you see all our future videos. And if you're liking this video, give us a thumbs up and write a comment as we go. So the first question, how much does YouTube pay and how does it pay? So basically YouTube pays for views, not subscribers. But you see that the more the subscribers you have, the more likely you will get views. So the whole game is to get both subscribers and views. So you see that YouTube will pay you plus or minus $5 per every 1,000 views, obviously depending with your niche. Basically there is different CPM for every niche. CPM stands for cost per mile. This is the amount that YouTube pays for every 1,000 views. So you see that if you're doing things like pranks, you obviously get less money. You get maybe $1 or $2 per every 1,000 views. But if you're doing tech, you can get something like $5. I'm usually around $4 something for every 1,000 views. So it all depends now with the amount of views you can get per month, because you are paid monthly. You are paid after every 30 days. So if you can get a large amount of organic views, you'll be able to get paid a lot of money as well. And remember that these views are organic, meaning to say that if you get views by advertising on YouTube, by paid advertisement, those views will not count. YouTube only pays for organic views. If you try to use other tricks to get views, you might end up actually getting banned by YouTube. So try to get your views organically by people just coming to view your videos. And remember that one view is if someone watches your video for at least 30 seconds, that is when one view is counted. But when you're being paid now, you're paid on the amount of advertisements that people watch as they watch your videos. So that's why we are saying on average, you'll be paid maybe $5 plus or minus per every 1,000 views. But you can also supplement your income by doing things like affiliate marketing, and you can also sell your own products on your YouTube channel, or you can work with other companies and collaborators that will pay you to mention their company name as you do your videos or your brand, depending obviously with your niche. There are companies that will come to you saying that can you make a video while you're wearing our clothes, things like that. You tend to make more money, but that is usually for people with bigger YouTube channels. So as you begin, just focus on subscribers and views, and everything else will fall in place in no time. Number two, what are the minimum requirements to monetize your channel? So for you to get paid on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. And in some areas, rules are starting to change. If you are in America, if you're in Canada, if you're in UK, if you get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can also monetize. It will not be a full package, but you get some perks out of that. But that is not open to all countries, at least for now. Maybe in some months to come, it will be open to everyone. And you can also monetize using shorts. If you can get 10 million views on your shorts and 1,000 subscribers, you can also sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, and from there you'll be able to get paid on YouTube. Question number three, how long does it take to reach monetization, or to get the minimum requirements that are needed for you to get monetized? The truth is there is no definite answer for this question. It can take you a day, it can take you a week, or it can take you a year, or it can take forever. There are some channels that have been there for more than 10 years now, and up to now they are not yet monetized. So it all depends with the kind of videos that you are posting and how you are posting, your quality of videos and all the other things. But with me, my channel, this channel, it took me about 9 months for me to get monetized. I was hungry, I was posting regularly. I'll tell you all about that later on in the video. I'll give you all the tips that you can do, all the tips and tricks that you can also incorporate as you start your YouTube channel for you to grow as fast as possible. And always remember that YouTube is not a get rich quickly scheme. It's something that you have to work on over time. It's more of a marathon, not a sprint. So be prepared to post 1,000 videos without reaching monetization. There are people that can monetize with just one video, and there are people that will take maybe 100 videos to get monetized, and some will take 1,000 videos to get monetized. So you have to be patient with YouTube. Question number 4, how much do I need to start making videos, to start posting on YouTube? So all you need is a smartphone. A smartphone, you have a camera, and it can connect to the internet. That's all you need. And it obviously depends with the niche that you'll have chosen to post your videos on. But I'll say that as long as you have a smartphone, a working smartphone, you are good to go. You can start posting videos now with just that smartphone, and you can download applications to edit your videos, applications like InShot. I'm actually using InShot for this video. If you check bottom right, I think there is a logo InShot, meaning to say I did not pay for that application. I'm using the free version of InShot. And if you can see right now the quality that you are seeing on this video, this is from a free software. So as you can see, that is just my smartphone that I've used for this video. So you don't really need much to start earning money or to start posting on YouTube. All you need is a good smartphone. And from there, you'll be able to record yourself, edit your videos, and post on YouTube. And get me right, if you can afford, you can buy all those fancy cameras and all those fancy equipment for video editing or video recording and all that thing. You can also hire people that can do all that for you. That is if you have the money. But if you do not have the money, like I did when I was starting, you can just start with just your smartphone and you'll be good to go. And question number 5, what is the best niche that I should post videos on? So this one, it depends with individuals. With me, it was easy for me to start a tech channel because I am a tech guy. I'm already working in the tech industry. I'm an engineer in ICT, so it was easy for me to just start making videos because this is something that I've been doing for quite a while now, and I have knowledge on the things that I've been talking about. So it all depends with what you have passion on and also what you have knowledge on. It has to be both passion and knowledge, and then from there now you'll be able to post videos. Because just think of it like this, right? I'm an ICT engineer, and if I start posting videos on maybe biology, I don't know much about biology, so maybe I might be able to do 1 video, 2 videos, but I'll not be able to do 100 videos on biology because it's a field that I'm not an expert in. So it will be easy for you to choose a niche where you're an expert on. So now let's talk about the tips and tricks for you to monetize quickly or for you to grow your channel quickly. All right, so you have your channel up and running, and here are the tips. So number 1, name and description of your videos. As you are posting videos, the name that you give your video and the description should be catchy, should have keywords, especially on the description. You will see that the YouTube algorithm uses your description mainly to rank your videos. So if you play around with your description, putting keywords on that description based on the video that you'll be posting, you'll see that your video will rank higher on the YouTube algorithm, and that will result in a lot of views. The name as well, it should be short, precise, and catchy, that if I just read the name of your video, I should be enticed to click on that video for me to watch that video, because that will also help in putting your video out there. So name and description, work on that. Do some research before you post a video. Look at other videos that are posting on the same thing that you have created a video on, and work around all those videos to see the best name for your video, the best title for your video, and also the best description. I'm not saying copy what other people are doing, but I'm saying get ideas from the other channels that you'll be looking at. And tags as well is one of those things that you also have to include. Don't put a lot of tags, just put enough, and your tags shouldn't be too broad. Be specific with your tags. So the title, the description, and tags are in the background of your video, right? But there is what we see, what viewers actually see, which is called the thumbnail. And it's one of the most important things when you're creating a video. If you just look at some video thumbnails, even before you read the description and the title, you'll be wanting to click on that video. So you should also work on your thumbnails. They have to be catchy. If you go on the internet, just look for Canva. It's one of those best applications that you can use to create your thumbnails. And the good thing is Canva is 100% free. Just go to Canva. I think I have a video where I talk about how you can create thumbnails, how you can use Canva. I'll put the link in the description so that you can just go through that video and teach yourself how to design thumbnails. It doesn't take time. After about 30 minutes of using Canva, you'll be an expert because it's a simple software and it's so simple to use, and it will help you especially on creating thumbnails. So your thumbnails, you have to be catchy, because if YouTube recommends your video to viewers, right, there will be maybe 10 on the screen. Maybe there will be 10 videos. So if I am a viewer, I'll obviously click on the video that has a catchy or eye-catching thumbnail. So that's why the thumbnail is one of the most important things on your video. So work on your thumbnail. And as you design your thumbnail, don't put a lot of words. It will end up confusing the viewer. So just put few words, just put short phrases which are also catchy, and a picture of yourself or a picture of something that relates to the video. Or maybe you can take a screenshot of part of the video that is catchy. And then from there, now you just work around that to create a catchy and eye-catching thumbnail. Number 3, post regularly. So for you to be relevant on YouTube, you have to post regularly. But this doesn't mean that just post videos anyhow. You have to plan for your videos, plan properly for your videos. And do some research on the things that you'll be talking about before you actually make a video. Because you can actually kill your channel by posting a lot of videos that people do not watch. So if the algorithm see that you are posting videos but people are not watching your videos more than 30 seconds, it will rank you down. So as you post regularly, make sure to plan your videos well, do proper research, and create something that is of quality. Remember, it's not just quantity, but also quantity with quality. Tip number 4, reply comments. So you see that as you post videos, people will comment. So take time just to go through those comments and try to comment in a nice way. Even people are saying bad things or dissing a video, just try to find a way of being polite to them so as to lure them to watch the next video. So that is how you can also grow your channel. And also subscribe to other channels that are in line or that are in your niche, and comment. If they make a video, try to comment on that video so that people will engage with you, and those people are more likely to also go to your channel to see what you'll be posting. So that also helps in growing your channel. And number 5, stick to your niche. If you are posting videos on tech, stick to that. Don't go and post on other things like politics or on soccer. You confuse your subscribers and they'll end up unsubscribing, and that can kill a channel. So stick to what you have chosen at first. If you choose to do politics, stick with that. If you choose to do blogs on traveling, stick to that. If you choose maybe cooking, stick to that. And you see that your channel will grow because your subscribers subscribed thinking that they are going to watch videos on cooking. So they will only stick to your channel as long as you're posting good quality on cooking. So stick to your niche. And number 6, if you want to increase your number of subscribers fast, do shorts. Post shorts regularly. So you see that the algorithm that controls shorts, it publishes your shorts, or it pushes your shorts to new people every time. If you post a short today and you post again a short tomorrow, you see that all those shorts now will be pushed to people that have never been on your channel, unlike long form videos. So if you post shorts regularly, you are more likely to increase the number of subscribers on your channel faster than if you're just posting long form content. So make use of shorts. Just try to post maybe 1 short a day. Again, plan your shorts. It's not just quantity, but it's quantity with quality. So do shorts with quality and quantity, and you will not go wrong. And number 7, you can also make use of tools or extensions that can also help you in building your channel. There are tools like TubeBuddy, there are tools like vidIQ. If you just Google right now TubeBuddy, you can log in and then you can also pay. There are premium accounts where They will tell you, they'll give you recommendations or suggestions on how to write, let's say, a title, or they can give you maybe suggestions on tags or on descriptions, and also they will help you in coming up with a thumbnail. So that also helps. I used TubeBuddy when I was beginning. It really helped me because I didn't know much at that time. And number 8, pay attention to analytics. So if you go to your YouTube channel, go to analytics and just look at all those analytics, all those specs that you've seen under analytics, the videos that are performing well. If let's say there's a video that is doing well, try to do a follow-up video on that. Because if it's doing well, it means that people want to watch that kind of video, right? So try to find another video that also goes in hand with that video that is doing well on your channel, and see how the channel will react, how your subscribers will react. So make use of analytics. I'm going to make another video explaining further on analytics. So be sure to subscribe and stay around so that you'll see that video the moment that I post it. And on number 9, be unique, do not be a copycat. So I've seen a lot of new YouTubers trying to copy people that are doing well already. That is a recipe for disaster. So try to get your own style. Yes, you can watch and learn from other people, but do not copy. Don't be a copycat on their style or how they present their video. Find your own way, be unique, and people will appreciate that. And just to close this video, this is a marathon. This is not a sprint. So be prepared to spend hours and hours preparing for videos, shooting videos without getting any views. It takes time for you to grow on YouTube. There are people that are lucky enough to maybe monetize in a month or in 2, but there are people as well that will take years to monetize. So be patient. This is a marathon. And as always, tell us what you think in the comment section about all this that we've talked about today. And if you have liked this video, give us a thumbs up. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you get a notification the moment we post another video. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.